You know, ideas are a very powerful thing and they're often underestimated in the value that they have within an organization and the time that you should put aside to deal with them. But when you do have an idea session, and it's one of my favorite things to do with clients, it is really important that you get all those ideas recorded and then you spend some time saying, what is real? What is possible? What is good and what is bad? It's much like a newborn child. You have an opportunity to help them walk and talk, and you have an opportunity to teach them the good and the bad, and you have an opportunity to point them in the right direction so that they can have their own life and really go on to do some amazing things, not just for you, but for themselves. So really, put aside some ideas and have a purification process when you're going through them. Let the ideas flow freely and then come back and re-examine them. No idea is a bad idea until you've taken it through a thorough process first. I'll be back next time with another marketing tip.